Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn 3 Microsoft Word shortcuts. First, we will learn how to convert numeric to text. Let's do it. I will type here numeric value like 2024, then select it, and use shortcuts like press Ctrl plus F9. Now type =, then add here \/ and asterisk, then type card text. Now right-click on this and choose Update Field. There we go. Numeric has been converted into text. Now let's see the second shortcut. Imagine we have thousands of names and we need remove abbreviation of Mr. from each one name. It will take too much time. So to save your time, let's do this. Press Ctrl plus H from your keyboard. It will open a dialog box. In the Find Input field, type here MR and dot, which you want to remove. Then in the Replace Input field, leave it blank. Then simply just click on Replace All button. There we go. We have removed those in a second. Now in the last, we will learn how to sum in Microsoft Word. Let's do this. So here, we have a simple data table in Microsoft Word, and we have product name and product quantity. Then in the last, we have amount column, so now we need to calculate amount column values. To make it grand total value, so now just click in this cell. Then hold Ctrl button and press F9 from your keyboard. Now type =, and then type sum. Open bracket and type above. Now close the bracket and press F9 button from your keyboard. So here, as you can see, we have grand total value amount column. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.